I'm off to the gym this morning. I went to the gym last night and we did like sauna and jacuzzi and stuff as well. But I feel like when you go to the gym with your friends, you don't work out as hard as you do when you're on your own. So I'm popping to the gym this morning again because also I need to wash my hair. And so I thought I'd go before I need to do that because I definitely still have chlorine hair. This is what I'm wearing if you're interested. This is a Josephine for naked body. It's got quite like a low back. Quite daring for me to wear this to the gym. It's not normally really a me thing. And then this H&M workout hoodie, which I'll just leave in the locker room. Add a load of socks and some New Balance trainers. I'm gonna head off now. I normally do like 45 minutes and then I'll be back. And oh, I found an Asian supermarket yesterday by the gym while I was waiting for my friends to arrive and I bought a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna show you that as well because I'm excited to try them. Back from the gym. Don't know if you can tell, but my hair looks wet. It's so sweaty. And very avid, obvious, smiley face sweat marks on me. So definitely did some hard work, which is good. That when I'm like sweating profusely like this, it makes me feel like I've actually done something in the gym. So I like that. I obviously need to shower now. We're gonna go do that. And then I think we're finally gonna clear out that drawer because I just want it organized. It's bugging me. Keep talking about it, not doing anything. So I think I'm gonna do that. Whew. Okay, I'm showered and ready to eat. I didn't eat before I went to the gym today. I don't normally, to be honest, because I go quite early and I can't eat that early. I've just put on post-shower this Bruna for Naked fashion set, which I absolutely love. It's a bit gloomy outside today, so this is nice and cozy and comfortable, but also cute. Little haul of the stuff I got from the Asian supermarket yesterday. Finley is here, so he is gonna want to smell everything. Obviously looking for noodles, but I got a couple snacks as well because I just wanted to try them and I've never seen something like this before. Purple sweet potato chip that's like in a Pringle tube. So I'm gonna assume they're gonna be like Pringle style. Also got some seaweed crisps. Absolutely love these. They're like tempura. Oh, well, you're in the way. They're like tempura battered seaweed crisp. This one is in hot and spicy flavor, which I haven't tried before. From the drinks thing, I always see these in like the Asian vlogs, like 7-Eleven and stuff. So I got this iced pineapple aid, which I'm gonna put over some ice. I'm gonna try that today. And then I wanted to try these, because I've never tried an instant. I have tried instant, like tonkotsu ramen, but I haven't tried it in like this instant. I've tried it in like a packet where you add like the broth and all the sauces and stuff in to the pan, but not in like a super instant where you just add hot water. Wanted to try, I wasn't sure whether to go for this or the like black bean flavor, but I went for the sweet and spicy instead. And I'm gonna try these, and then they have like bigger versions with noodles in it as well. So I'm gonna try this first, and if I like it, then I'll try the black bean, and then I'll try the one with noodles as well, because that is a very small, this is a snack for me, as is this, but I just wanted to try them. And then my last one I picked up, which I'm gonna try right now, is the spicy shrimp flavored. I love anything seafood and prawn flavored noodles. There's one that comes like this and it's like a lobster flavor, I think. And then the wonton soup one that's similar to this as well is really good. But yeah, I'm hungry, so let's go try some of this stuff. Before I start eating and trying, pause below deck, new episodes out. Before I start eating the noodles and let them cook, I'm going to try some of these snacks. And I actually like to add these into there, I'll show you, and try my drink, but I have to take these out first. Okay, let's try this pineapple aid. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I want to try these first. Purple sweet potato chips. Obviously you saw I gave Finley a little bit of milk as I'm eating. I thought he could have a little snack too, but he's not interested as it's human food around, so he would prefer that. Wow, they're very purple. They've got a hint of Pringle there, but it's like Pringle and vegetable crisps together. He's taken his anger out on his scratcher because I'm not giving him any food. And I just add as well, this cat is the first cat to be fed breakfast, first cat to be fed lunch, first person in the house to be fed before anyone else. But he just loves his food, bless him. Hot and spicy seaweed crisp. Now this you'd think he'd be scared of, but he actually likes spicy food. These ones are good. Do you want to try? Do you want to try it? Not interested. Let's see if these noodles are done. My little trick of sticking the fork in. I learnt that from watching Korean eating videos and stuff. Oh, what's this? I think that's like a small fish cake. I should be eating these with chopsticks, but because I used my fork to stab the edge in, I had these ready. Don't want to dirty more cutlery. Yeah, I really like these. The consistency, I quite like my noodles overcooked. I know that's a refined taste, not a lot of people do, but I'm gonna enjoy my, what's this called again? Below Deck Med, new episode. Let's do this. Okay, I made piles. I have here dust bags, which I'm gonna find a box up there I can put them in. I have my hats and accessories, which can go in on top of this scarf. I have pajama stuff, workout bottoms, workout tops, and some stuff from the washing, which I'm going to put here. And then behind me, can you see this pile is workout stuff I don't really wear consistently, so I don't really want to have that here because my favourite workout gear is actually stuff that's in and out of the wash all the time. So let's try and implement this stuff back in and find a new home for the other stuff. Okay, excuse the face. I feel much better about that. I found some like decoration stuff which I can put downstairs and like some more bag for lives, which I'm just going to put by the door. So those are easy to organise away. And then this workout gear I need to put away. Okay, organising done. I'm going to just put these bits and bobs away in the correct place, and then I'm going to do some editing. And then I'll be back with you guys because I actually have a nail appointment today. I've got about 2 hours until that. Okay, I just got in from my nails and I've done them. And if you can tell, they were purple like mermaid before. I've done my toes as well. I don't know if you can see that, but quite similar. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I've already got some packages for the next one, so excited to show you guys that. And I'll see you soon. Bye guys.